Don't walk into 2026 with the same habits that ruined 2025. Your life doesn't collapse overnight, and it doesn't improve overnight either. It's shaped by what you do every single day, especially when no one is watching. These are 10 life-changing habits you must lock in before 2026 begins. Habit 1. Wake up earlier than the world. Not for motivation, for leverage. Early hours are quiet, focused, distraction-free. While others react to life, you prepare for it. This alone separates average from dangerous. Habit 2. Make your bed immediately. Not because it's cute, because it's discipline. It's the first proof of the day that you control your actions, not your emotions. Order first, chaos later, if you allow it. Habit 3. Do one uncomfortable thing every morning. Cold shower, hard workout, deep focus. Comfort makes you soft. Discomfort sharpens you. Win early, and the rest of the day bends easier. Habit 4. Protect the first hour of your day. No phone, no notifications, no noise. If you let the internet touch your brain first, you've already lost the day. Think before you consume. Habit 5. Move your body daily. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. A stagnant body creates a stagnant mind. Motion creates momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Habit 6. Hydrate like your performance depends on it, because it does. Most people aren't unmotivated, they're underfueled. Water is not optional, it's a baseline. Habit 7. Keep your environment clean. Your surroundings train your standards. Messy space, messy thinking. Sharp space, sharp decisions. Simple. Habit 8. Learn something every day, no excuses. 10 minutes is enough. One idea repeated daily compounds faster than motivation ever will. Habit 9. Keep one promise to yourself every single day. Start small, finish always. Self-respect isn't built by big talk, it's built by follow-through. This is where confidence actually comes from. Habit 10. Close the day with reflection. Write 3 wins, even tiny ones. This trains your brain to see progress instead of failure, and progress builds identity. These habits won't transform your life in 7 days, but by the end of 2026, you won't recognize the person who started. Real change is quiet. No announcements, no hype, just disciplined actions repeated daily. If you're serious about entering 2026 stronger, start now.